just an average man with an average life. I work from 9 to 5, hey, and I pay the price. All I want is to be left alone in my average home. But why do I always feel like I'm in the twilight zone? And I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Oh, whoa. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Tell me, is it just a dream? When I come home at night, I bolt the door real tight. People call me on the phone, I'm trying to avoid. But can the people on TV see me, or am I just paranoid? When I'm in the shower, I'm afraid to wash my hair, 'cause I might open my eyes and find someone standing there. People say I'm crazy, just a little touch, but maybe showers remind me of Psycho too much. That's why I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Whoa. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Who's playing tricks on me? Anymore. Are the neighbors watching me? Well, is the mailman watching me?
Tell me who's watching.
And I don't feel safe anymore. Oh, what a mess. I wonder who's watching me now. The IRS?